What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy Ash, man, coming to you with another video as usual. So today we're about to do some little upgrades on the whip, but first we got some more important matters to take care of, which is I need to get an oil change. So I bought the car about 5 months ago. I'm at like 21,000 miles right now, but we got to 21,125 and I'm at 21,045. So we got about 100 miles. So we heading to the dealership today to get an oil change done on the scat. Also, we did some upgrades to it already. We put some stripes on it, and you know what I'm saying, they came out, they made the car look 100 times better, 100 times different. We wasn't sure if we should have went yellow stripes, but we put some yellow stripes on the whip, and you're gonna see it when we, you know what I mean, get to the dealership and stuff like that. I'll put a little clip in here for you. But today we're gonna be putting on some decals. It's like my Instagram stickers on my front windshield banner, and like something on the rear windshield, like the sponsors and stuff like that. So stay tuned for that. But we're gonna see how today goes. First, like I said, we're going to get an oil change. Then when they finish with that, we'll probably go to the shop and see what's going on at the shop. Probably got a couple cars to work around. We've been messing with a lot of foreigns, Lamborghinis, Ferraris and stuff like that. If you follow me on Instagram, you see the, you know what I mean, you see what's going on, see the little footage on the story and stuff like that. But we definitely finna turn it up, man. We got some wheels coming, we got some more lights coming, we got a whole bunch of stuff that is gonna be getting previewed on the channel. Like I said, it just be a little hard because I work and then I fix the car in between work, so it's like kind of hard to record and work at the same time. So we just gonna keep the videos coming as much as we can. But you know what I'm saying, appreciate all the new subscribers, appreciate all the people that like, comment, you know what I'm saying, I really appreciate that from the bottom. But today we're gonna be, you know what I'm saying, just be riding, going to get an oil change. As you can see, we got the stars in the ceiling, you know what I'm saying. We got a couple interior mods too. We got the stars in the ceiling, we got ambient lighting, we have a custom steering wheel, we got the iPad dash, we got the, man, there's so much stuff that be going on, I be losing count. But let me flip the camera and let y'all see what's going on, man. So as you can see, we got the carbon fiber steering wheel with the LED SRT light up airbag cover. We got the painted gloss black with red outline with the ambient lighting. That is an iPad in the dash, for those who don't know. We put an iPad mini in the dashboard, and as you can see, everything is painted on the inside. You know what I mean? So shout out Soundman for the beautiful dash. And you know what I'm saying, we got the beautiful steering wheel and stuff like that. So like I said, we got some mods, man. We got some things that is already been previewed on the car, but we're bringing it to the channel now. So let's go crazy, let's go up, let's keep this shit going. We're gonna have some features. We're gonna have my boy TJ on here. We're gonna have Reckless Hemi, you know what I'm saying. Follow my boy Reckless Hemi on the Instagram and on the YouTube channel, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, we're gonna be going crazy, so just bear with me. We're gonna keep this shit going, and yeah, we'll tap in when we get to the dealership, because damn, like almost $200 for an oil change, that's a lot. That's a lot of money. But you gotta do what you gotta do. I don't change it myself because I want it to be on the Carfax, just in case I decided to sell the car, you know what I mean. All the maintenance records will be on the Carfax. Not really too much tripping on that. I mean, I really don't want to get dirty anyway, so yeah, man. So just stay tuned, and we'll cut the camera back on when we get to the dealership. So yeah, man, as you can see, we're pulling up here to the Dodge dealership. You know what I'm saying? We're about to get this change done. We need this oil change bad. Can't run on no bad oil. So we at Auto Nation Dodge in Spring. This is where I come to get my oil changes done. So you know what I'm saying? We about to go up in here, drop this thing off, and then see what they tell me when they finish going through it. I probably need some brakes. I know they probably gonna be like, you need an air filter, cabin filter. I don't wanna hear none of that shit. So we're gonna find out and see what's going on. So yeah, I'm gonna tap back in just a little while, man. So stay right where you at. So yeah, so finally out the car, got them setting it up. I'm gonna just flip the camera, show y'all the stripes, so that way y'all can see what's going on, and just do some B-roll footage of it. You know what I'm saying? So here y'all go. You got the rally stripes, like 14-inch thick. Walk around for you. That back end go crazy with them stripes, man. Back end go too crazy. So that's the stripes we put on. We got some decals that we're gonna be putting on later on in the video. Like I said, right now we just about to get this oil change done, cause that's mandatory. We gotta get that done so that way we could keep the car running healthy and stuff like that. So like I said, we're gonna just wait for my ride to get here, and then we're gonna head to the shop. When we get to the shop, we'll cut the camera back on. We're gonna just let them keep the car and do their thing, and then we'll go from there. So yeah, tune in. So yeah, man, my homegirl twin done pulled up on me. She got that RT thing, man. So we about to jump in, and then we gonna, you know what I'm saying, see what's going on. My boy Legend said that he's on the way up here too. He just bought him a GMC 2500. So we gonna wait for him to pull up here as well, so that way I could check that thing out, get a little footage of that, and yeah, we're gonna go from there with it, man. So stay tuned. We probably gonna be heading to the shop right after he get here, and then we'll let y'all see what's going on down there when we get there. And my boy Legend done pulled up with that big motherfucker, man. Going too crazy on him. So as you can see, man, we got some toys out now. We got some toys out, man. He got that big ass Denali 2500 with the diesel in that thing. Yes, sir. My boy going too dumb with it. That hoe too crazy. That hoe big too, boy. Shit. My boy say he hungry. That boy always hungry. Big back activity. Big old mug too. This bitch too big. Huh? Yeah. Got that thing sitting right. Got the sunroof in there. Yeah, big Denali shit. That shit hard. That whole hard, man. But yeah, we finna head to the shop, man. So we gonna click the camera back on a little later and see what today got in store for us. Wait for my car to get done, come pick that thing up, and we gonna click the camera on, man. Like I said, stick around. We ain't playing with y'all this year. This year we going crazy. Yeah, that thing too dumb. We end up not leaving the dealership, man, because they told me that the car was gonna be done shortly. So right now we about to jump in it and take off and head to the shop. I got a Ram TRX, a truck down there that I got to do a dash cam and some other stuff in. So yeah, we're gonna tune in on that because I don't know how long that's gonna take. But yeah, so we're gonna grab the car, and then we're gonna head to the shop, and then we're gonna go from there.
Yeah, man, I do apologize. I was looking for you all over the place. That's why I decided to call you. I was
Yeah.
like, man, I know he laughed.
Yeah, nah, I had my brother pulled up.
Like that.
Yeah, that's my brother right there in the truck. So
Gotcha.
he just bought that Denali yesterday.
Woo.
Yeah.
Do a quick walk around your vehicle. Make sure everything's done right.
I got you. Oh yeah. Yeah, now everything look good.
How we looking? Let's step inside here. Make sure that they vacuum your front seats. It's a basic thing. They usually do it.
Yeah. Nah, it's all good. The interior ain't even no tripping.
Alright.
So yeah, man, we done made it to the mall somehow. I don't know how, but we made it here. We're really finna get some Cinnabon right now. So
World famous Cinnabon.
yeah, you know what it is. So my boy TJ gonna grab him some Cinnabon, and we're gonna head back to the shop. Then we'll pull the car in, man, and get this process started with putting them decals on. Can't wait to see the outcome of it. So just stay tuned. My boy TB also on the way here. You're gonna have to tap in with his YouTube as well. So yeah, we're gonna tap back in and see what else today, cause we just ending up everywhere right now. So yeah, got the famous TB in this mid, man. Yeah, my boy done pulled up on me. You know what I'm saying? Shit, that boy TJ getting some more food. I told you, man, we end up everywhere. We were just at Cinnabon. Now we finna end up at Chick-fil-A on some shit. So, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, we just going crazy. The day be going too dumb. So as you can see, we just gone ahead and put that thing together, you know what I'm saying? We just dropped that decal on there, you know what I'm saying? So we about to do the other side, then we're gonna do the back windshield, and then we'll do the front windshield after. So, you know what I'm saying? My boy TB done tapped in on there one time. We got this boy Ran. We got Ran scrubbing them EV tires, you know what I'm saying?
His own tires. I'm proud of him.
Yeah, I'm proud of you, man. It's about time. Them things been sitting dirty for about 8 years.
About 2 months.
Yeah, so shit. We about to get this thing finished up, and then we'll go from there.
Hold up. You got a zoom in button? Oh, okay. No, you good.
Time for the big deal though, man. Shit. Yes, sir. So as you can see, man, we done went ahead, stamped the sponsor list on the back of that guy, and we put the Instagram stickers on there. Now we just got that front banner to do, and then after that, the car complete, all the way done with all the graphics and everything, and then we'll tap back in when we do that front windshield, man. So now you need to go that way, huh? She needs to go left. Go left.
See the 3 on the crown, you got 1, 2, 3, there's 3 to be in the middle of the 2 spots.
The one in the middle should be in the middle?
Yeah.
So go left some more.
You see what I'm saying?
Go left some more. All right, right there. Right there, yeah, right there. Right there. Yep, that's it. That's what we sticking with that one.
I will go with the crown, because the crown covers everything else gonna look pretty.
Yeah, we're gonna go with that one right there in the middle. Shout out to cameraman TJ on the ones and twos on the D-box. You heard me? Damn.
Say it again. What'd you say?
I said he got the lowest red eye in Houston.
Yeah. You got the first EV that been in the shop for a long time, man.
There you go. Yeah.
From Dodge. Yeah.
Hey, the longest red eye, you got the record. You're red eye.
That's all right. Trying to play me.
Ain't I editing that out?
Eh? Oh yeah? Yeah. I see why you got free electric.
Okay. I'm gonna go roast right now. I know they be saying that. I pull up real quiet, back that boy in, cut that YouTube on.
Now YouTube, wait, you see with it? Don't do that.
minutes and I'm out there.
Don't let it flop down. Take it. Yeah. Let's see. You know what they say, teamwork make the dream work. Huh? It should be over there.
Y'all can go out there and look at just my mama. She don't fucking bite. She really a sweetheart. Just don't piss off. Okay? Huh? No, don't do that, because I did good. I did good. It's easy.
I love that for you.
I love that for you, girl.
Yep.
I'm gonna take her back. What about moving?
Alrighty.
It was just my Instagram
Yep.
and the back windshield.
Alrighty.
Yeah, I think I got my ring back.
So yeah, man, just like that, as you can see, we finished up putting all the decals on and everything. So we just gonna let this video end right here. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. We'll click back in this camera probably sometime throughout this weekend, cause we about to go crazy this weekend. So stay tuned, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, watch the whole video. Make sure y'all tap into the shorts. Go follow me on Instagram, only1_madness. And yeah, we'll see y'all next time, man. Peace.